Okay, here we are. We're going to make a small promotional video in about less than 2 minutes. First you have to write your script. Here I've written a small 5-sentence strip and off. Okay, all you have to do is copy your script, go to the website and select a template. We'll choose this nice one here that might blend with our thing. Jungle Mist. Yep, that's what we want. And then we want to create from article or blog post, and we click there. Off to use this template. Paste the script in. Enter the title. Make sure all these are ticked. And now we're going to produce. That's it. That took about 2 seconds. And now if you look, it's chosen all the images for your clip. Now we're going to add text, add speaking. We choose a person.
Hi, my name is Harvey and I would love to read the script for your video. So sit back, relax, and I'll do all.
So for the purpose of this video, we're going to choose Harvey. You can use USA, United Kingdom or Australia. We're choosing Harvey. Click preview your video. And now, here we go.
You have a massive problem with leaves on paths and in your garden. You are not alone. Darwin has so much rain your garden grows like a weed on steroids. We know how annoying trips to the tip can be, so we have a solution that saves you time and money. Garden Bags NT will provide a bag and a stand and organize an empty for a very reasonable price of just $20 per visit. Need to know more? Visit www.gardenbagsnt.com.au.
Bit rough and ready, but that's just the jumpy computer I've got. So now we're going to process it.